Ever wondered how to change the color and size of that ripple effect when you tap the screen during a screen recording? On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a hidden setting that lets you personalize it, and it's actually meant for the mouse pointers. But here's the trick: the same setting changes the touch ripple effect too, which appears when you are screen recording with show tabs and touches turned on. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Vision Enhancement. Scroll down the screen, tap Pointer Size and Color. Even if you don't use a mouse, try this. Choose your favorite color and adjust the pointer size using the slider. As the example, we will make it bigger in orange. Now, open Screen Recorder from the Quick Settings panel. And make sure Show Tabs and Touches is enabled. Start recording. And you will see your selected pointer color appear as a ripple every time you tap the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.